What's up, YouTube fam? It's been a while, I think. It's already afternoon. Today like flew by. I think I'm gonna go see if I can get my oil changed in my car. I need to go to Walmart. And then I'm gonna go have dinner with my friend who's in town. I haven't vlogged in a while. This feels weird. So luckily the dealership was pretty quick and painless. It was like less than an hour, I think. Pretty not bad. I just like caught up on some emails and stuff, and now I have a couple errands to run. So I'm at Walmart and I just have to get a couple of things, and I'm looking for like band t-shirts. I know it's like super lame, but like I don't know, they have those like cheapy t-shirts, and I haven't like, I don't know, I kind of want to distress some shirts, or maybe I don't know what I want to do, but I just want like a few like cheap t-shirts to like play around with. Maybe I'll do some DIYs for my main channel. So we're just gonna go see what they have, and like maybe they'll have some cool ones. I don't know. And I have to get like coffee creamer and laundry detergent. I don't know. And then we're gonna go to Petco, and it's such a bummer that I didn't bring Maisie, but oh well. Okay, so I just got done with Walmart and I only spent 40 bucks. So they didn't have any like band tees. I don't know, they had some okay shirts, but like nothing that I was really feeling. I did almost buy a Bob Ross Painting the Galaxy shirt. And now I'm gonna go buy dog food. Yay! So, okay, I have to pass the thrift store on my way home anyway, so I'm gonna go see if they have any shirts in there. Yeah, let's go. I did like way too good in there. I didn't find any band tees, but I found like a couple t-shirts that were kind of cool. I like hit the mother load. I bought 11 records. I'm gonna be so late. Oh my god.
One eternity later.
Okay, I think like halfway decent. Oh, my laundry in my unmade bed. It's great. It's great. I wasn't gonna wear heels, but like this just looks so much better. This is it. You can't even see it because it's just black on black, I guess, but t-shirt dress from Walmart, tassel necklace from Banana Republic. Shoes are by Soda. Excuse my laundry that needs to be put away. They're by Soda, but I think, I don't remember where I got them, like gojane.com, I don't remember. And then this sweater, it's vintage with like the elbows. I love it. So I'm like a total vlogger fail. I'm gonna sit down. Oh my god. Okay. So I just went out to dinner with some friends, but yeah, I didn't vlog because we went to, the restaurant we were going to was a Brazilian steakhouse, and it's like really, really popular in San Diego, and it's a really nice place. And so I'm vegan. Then like, I don't know, no one that I was with like really knows that I vlog or watches my vlogs, so I didn't want to like bust out my camera and be like, yeah, I'm like this huge imposition, I like can't eat anything here, which I found they have like a salad bar too, like I ate plenty, it was fine, but like I don't know, I felt like kind of weird pulling out my camera and like, I'm not gonna eat any of this, but I'm gonna film you guys doing it. And it was only like 4 of us. It was like kind of like intimate. It would have been really awkward. Anyway, today was a good day. I have to put away all my laundry and make my bed still. It's only like, I mean, it's only like 11 o'clock. Then I'm gonna watch Bridget Jones's Baby for like the 7th time in 2 days. Good night. I promise I'm gonna vlog more.